It seems like every day of the week has a personality. Friday and Saturdays are the best days of the week by far because it's the weekend, of course. And Thursdays aren't so bad either because it's anticipating the coming weekend. Wednesdays, hump day, half the work week is over, great. And then there's Monday, the dreaded Monday. Everyone universally agrees that Monday is the single worst day of the week. And if you're stuck in a job that you don't like, well, that can also mean that Sundays are not great days either, particularly Sunday nights. Because it's on Sunday night that many people get the Sunday night blues. The Sunday night blues are that weekly reminder that the weekend is coming to a close and you have to get up again on Monday and go to a job that you don't like. The truth is I had a lot of Sunday night blues early in my career. I started out as a CPA working for a global Big Four accounting firm. Great firm, loved the people. I hated the work. And every Sunday night, I had the Sunday night blues. Well, fortunately for me, I made a big career pivot about 2 decades ago, and I love my job now. I'd never get the Sunday night blues anymore. But I do a lot of coaching with executives and other professionals who, for a variety of reasons, have the Sunday night blues. And this is what I tell them in terms of how to solve the Sunday night blues. Instead of thinking about Monday as a day of the week that you're not supposed to like, by the way, which is kind of foolish if you think about it, because like in a 40-year career, you're going to work 2,000 Mondays. That's a big chunk of your life, let alone your career, that you're not supposed to enjoy. Doesn't make any sense. Bad strategy. A better strategy is this. Instead of thinking about Monday as a day of the week, think about it as a date in history. For instance, today's a Monday. I don't care that it's a Monday, but I do care that it's January 23rd, 2023. Because that's my reminder that this date in history is only going to occur once. And after these 24 hours elapse, it's gone forever, never to be lived again. And it's my reminder to live in the moment, to be present, to seize the day, and not just wish it away just because it's a Monday. So if you, for any reason, are experiencing the Sunday night blues, change the strategy. Don't think about Monday as a day of the week. Think about it as a date in history. We'll see you soon.